Hi, Bill.
How the hell are you?
All right, well, just ran into Bill. He's got it. Man, this road's rough. He just got it set up over here and good to go. So we're gonna go get it loaded up. I guess they rolled it up on its side and kind of tipped it over. So we're gonna gather it up and we'll go from there. All right, well, we got out here. Bill had a tour going on and somebody dumped it on its side, banged it all up, and popped a hole in the radiator down here. Too dang bad. We're on the road again. Time we snuck out here to get a side-by-side for Bill at Utah Off-Road Tours. They rolled that one, looks like, all the way over. So made a little mess of the radiator, and so we'll get it back down to the shop, get her all straightened out, get some more doors on it, and she'll be ready to go for the next tour. But got back after the off-road trailer. Gonna have to knock the dust off of it. We got all our tie downs on. Got the ramp built. Got the latches all on. Wire screen, heavy duty thing. Big heavy duty hinges underneath there. So if you're gonna have an off-road trailer, you gotta have a ramp on it. Drive over fenders. A little bit of width if you need it, a little bit of a side rail, plenty good tie downs. And you always got to have classic country music playing in the background in a shop, if that's your thing. If it's not, you can play rock and roll. So we're probably going to put the lights through right here. Other than that, it worked out pretty dang good. I better make sure I have them made. You might have to film from over here. How about that? This'll work. Rough Top, Tennessee. So we'll get that all sandblasted and painted up. We'll pop them in there and we'll be good to go. All right, we're up bright and early this morning. It's springtime in the mountains. There's marriages and weddings going on, so me and Leon have the team hooked up this morning. We're up in New Harmony, Utah. Is that all you got to say?
My mouth is full.
Oh.
I didn't know we were talking.
We're not talking yet.
Good morning, everybody. We're on our way to the Chris Peterson and Mackenzie soon-to-be Peterson wedding. We got Wally and Della hooked up to the wagon, and we're going to haul them into the wedding with the team. You can see this beautiful lane we're coming down, and it's just incredible. You can see how well these mules do. They're made for weddings. These are just such pretty animals and do such a good job.
Yeah, that bear, that's the dumbest thing I've ever seen.
Jackson would have a fit at that thing.
Hey, we'd have had a wreck.
That's why we're here, running in circles.
What was that, Leon? A bridge?
A bridge. Made out of nothing but steel, and it thundered. We'll go over that bridge again.
Yeah.
Better video of it.
No, you! Stop pushing! Get off of me! That's so funny. I've never. Oh, look, they got their hames tied up too.
Oh, yeah. Get a picture of that.
I'm gonna have to freaking picture. I'm videoing it. I wonder if it would be better if we went along the bottom against the crosses, because we're going across all the ditches.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa! I can't hear you. Whoa! Whoa! Damn!
I can bright with a brush, painting over the rust, making me a better man. When you smile at me, baby, I can't see how this could ever be wrong. Stealing heaven is the best thing this desperado's ever done. Best thing I've ever done.
Whoa, easy. They're gonna fall when they take
Hang the corner.
Yeah! Get up! Yeah!